Day 4 of the Colorado BDR, and it's the Backcountry Discovery Route. People keep asking me, but it's called the Backcountry Discovery Route. These are incredible routes to ride for adventure. Are you guys having fun?
Having loads of fun. It's been great.
All right, so I met Doug yesterday on the trail. I met these guys a couple days ago. This guy I haven't met yet, but and this morning I met Wayne from Mototopia. He's a YouTuber. That's his cool Husky 701 over there, and he is donating us this cool flag, so you will see this along the way. Today expect some water crossings and some passes. We're going from, this is Buena Vista. Some people call it Buena Vista, but I think they pronounce it locally Buena Vista. We're going over to Lake City, and that's where we're gonna end our day. It's gonna be a ride. Are you ready to experience adventure? Let's ride.
It's a beautiful morning as we leave Lake City and hop onto the pass here. Still see some snow on the tops of the mountains. It's currently 53 degrees, and I just had to stop and put on my rain jacket because I forgot to bring my regular jacket. But anyway, we're heading up the mountain. We're gonna get into some higher elevation, which I expect temperatures to drop even more. So far, just a half hour into this trip, our minds are blown with these beautiful Rocky Mountains, and everyone's smiling and laughing and having fun. So what a great view around every corner. You can see now we're starting to get above the tree line, which means, you know, you're getting in that 11,000 feet range where the trees don't grow. So, oh yeah, this is great. Looks like people are stopping, and looks like there's a view up there, so maybe we'll stop and see what they're all looking at. When I see somebody on the side of the road with a camera and everybody's looking the same direction, it makes me want to go and see what they're looking at. So whoa, y'all are having fun. Yeah. Hey, you want to trade?
I don't know, maybe.
There's a cow. Okay, everybody, we are back on dirt and pretty excited about it. It's so beautiful, we forgot to look and see where we were supposed to turn, so we missed our turn, but we're off the pavement on the dirt and looking for adventure. Oh my gosh, where's the line? Y'all are messing with me. All right, cool. Okay, everybody, we are rolling into Tin Cup, Colorado. It's a nice, charming little community. What do you think about Frenchies Cafe? Anybody up for a cup of coffee? All right, let's see if we can find ourselves a cappuccino.
I can't believe you rode through that thing three times with one arm. Oh my gosh. We're having a blast. So we're gonna try Frenchies Cafe because it says open. There's 27 of us?
27.
No, 6 of us.
Like, okay. Just
Wonderful.
All right, and I'll take a cappuccino if you have any left.
What?
Out of
Just-
cappuccinos?
We don't have them.
Just sold out?
No. Stop!
Oh, that looks like an amazing burger. What are them onions?
Can I get you guys anything else?
BLT in Tin Cup, Colorado.
I gotta make up for it. Although we still get some kicks out of the Alaska wedding because the judges had a like.
This place is awesome.
I know, I'm gonna walk up to that sign and get some pictures.
Get pictures, and we gotta tell everyone about Frenchies Cafe in Tin Cup, Colorado. When's the last time you've had a cup of coffee at 10,000 feet?
Right. They didn't have the cappuccino. They were all out though.
Yeah, I was sad that they had sold out of
Should've called
cappuccinos.
ahead, you know, or instead of homing pigeon, that probably would have been better up here.
But they did have some really good pie. So no cappuccino, but they made up for it with good pie and a cup of coffee.
I'm gonna go ahead and fuel up right here. Do you have to pay before? Is this a prepay? Wow, look at this, fellas. We're currently going over Cumberland Pass. Elevation's 12,000 feet. Temperature is it's actually gone up to 59 degrees in the heat of the day right here.
There you go. Cool. 3. Thanks. Awesome. Yeah. Thanks again.
You have to stop and take pictures up here at the sign.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you.
We're at Cumberland Pass.
Yeah.
Elevation 12,000 feet. And my favorite place was on this ride so far has been Tin Cup. Make sure you eat at Frenchies, but Tin Let's Ride Cup is the official name, by the way. How's the Norden taking care of you up here?
It's doing great.
You liking it?
It's doing better than I am.
How long have you had it?
I bought it 22, beginning of 22. So
And thing's rock solid, huh?
so far.
Sweet.
Welcome to Colorado, the BDR. We like you. We like you a lot. Oh my gosh, look at this. Y'all caught anything? Really? That's great. 3 months ago, somebody caught a bull shark in here. Y'all have fun. Okay, everybody, welcome to Pitkin, Colorado. This is home of, this is where they invented Velcro. It was right here in Pitkin. What do you think? Are we stopping at anybody?
You're going over Hagerman tomorrow?
Nope.
It's chewed up.
Is that
You could probably do it on the...
There's a guy up there on 1290. You know.
Yeah, I mean, you could probably do it. It's just take your time.
Okay.
Going up, it's probably easier going up.
Yeah.
Because the rocks were a little more spread out. But at the very bottom on the other side, when you peak and go to the bottom, right before you get to the road,
Yeah.
it's pretty much a mess.
I'd stay to the right.
Stay to the right before you get to the road.
Yeah,
There's like
you'll
a,
see it coming down where it joins the next road. Stay to the right.
It's more obvious from the top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the rain starting up ahead. Beautiful. What incredible views. I just can't believe that we get to do this. I'm just amazed at the beauty we have here to look at around every corner. It's stunning. Man, that's beautiful. Golly. Go ahead, David. Nice one. Coming into Lake City right now, and the place that I had in mind for food apparently is closed. Maybe closed down. I'm not really sure the story, but I'm not happy about it. So I've got another place we're gonna try. I've been there one time, and it's I think it's that one right there, that barbecue place.
We made it to Lake City. This place is awesome. We had an absolute blast on this trip. Ani, I have some stories from today.
Thank
It was really great. Did we have fun?
Oh my gosh, it was great.
Anthony had fun. I hope you're liking these videos. If so, please like, please subscribe. There's a lot more adventure coming. Hey, you want to see some more adventure? Watch this. just click this one. Click that right there.